Why is healthy food expensive and unhealthy food cheap? This was the first question I had when I decided I wanted to start eating healthier. I had always relied on taste and what was on sale to be my guide for what I bought. So when I came across the higher prices, I was astonished that it costs more to eat healthy. Why should it be hard for poor people to afford healthy food? It simply is not right. Being a person with very little money, this angered me. I did not want to have to buy or eat food that causes health problems because of my financial situation. I went on a quest to find all of the ways possible to eat healthy on a budget. Sadly, there aren't too many. I think of this as an unnatural economical hypocrisy caused by the greed of others. It has caused me to fight for my right to be healthy without making a career out of going to doctors for my regular prescriptions. The only answer is to strive for self improvement and betterment to improve our financial situations. Then we can afford healthy food and all other forms of health modalities. It's not about getting more assistance. Limiting my income so I can get food stamps? No, thank you. I will never stop looking for ways to not put that processed poison in my body. They make it so hard and such a challenge. It can be done though. Weaving through all the food addictions that were formed, along with limiting beliefs and behaviors around our food, can really slow the process down. At least it did for me. It all started with a question. Now I beg others not only to ask the same question, but to know they owe it to themselves to get these toxic foods out of their lives and see what happens to their bodies, minds, and even spiritually. I am not kidding. My entire chemistry changed when I took as many harmful chemicals out of my life as I could. I want the same for everyone. That's it.